Welcome to Can I Create My Own GPT, a beginner's guide to custom AI. We'll explore how you can build your own specialized GPT. We are demystifying custom GPTs, making personalized AI accessible for everyone. What is a custom GPT? It is a digital twin, a specialized version of ChatGPT that acts as an expert for a specific job. It uses personalized data, including your specific rules and files, to understand your unique context perfectly. The best part is that 0% coding knowledge is required. You don't need to write code. You build it by simply talking to the computer. If you can chat, you can create. The GPT Builder uses a conversational interface. You describe your goal in plain English, and the AI handles the automatic setup, configuring the system for you. Building a GPT relies on 3 pillars: instructions, knowledge, and tools. Instructions define the personality and goal. Knowledge involves uploading private files to make it an expert. Tools grant powers like web search and art. Step 1 is defining the purpose, or setting the rules. Tell the builder who the GPT should be, giving it a name and a clear mission. For example, you are a friendly math tutor for 10-year-olds. Step 2 is uploading knowledge. You feed the brain by uploading PDFs, Excel sheets, or Word docs. The GPT uses these to find answers, and this information stays private to your GPT only. Step 3 is selecting superpowers, which include web browsing, DALE3, and code interpreter. Web browsing finds live facts, DALE3 creates high-quality images, and code interpreter handles complex math and data analysis. Here are some example use cases. A study coach uses course curriculum as its knowledge source and web browsing. A recipe designer uses personal cookbooks and ALE3 for photos. A data analyst uses monthly reports and the code interpreter. Finally, you have sharing options. You can choose Only Me for personal private use, anyone with link to share with a team, or Public to list it in the GPT store.